Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Three Little Birds on piano using an easy method. We'll break down the song into simple, manageable steps. First, we'll identify the core chords. Then, we'll tackle the left-hand rhythm, followed by the right-hand melody. You'll be playing this classic tune in no time, even if you're a beginner. Let's start with the foundation. Three Little Birds mainly uses three chords: C major, G major, and F major. You'll play these as simple root position triads. Your left hand will establish a consistent, easy rhythm, often just playing the root note or a basic pattern. This keeps the song grounded and simple to follow. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Quick recommendation. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for playing your favorite tunes, maybe even Three Little Birds. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now for the melody. The right hand part is surprisingly simple, using only a few white keys. We'll focus on playing these notes smoothly and clearly, without rushing. The key is to practice slowly, allowing your hands to synchronize. Once you're comfortable, you can gradually increase your speed and add more feeling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.